Hi everyone, I'm Gurvinder Singh and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let me ask you a simple question. How many times have you promised yourself that you would start learning English seriously? Maybe you downloaded an app, maybe you bought an English book, maybe you watched a few videos. You started with a lot of motivation, but after a few days, everything stopped. Why does this happen? Because many people think that becoming fluent in English requires hours of study every day. But that's not true. You don't need to study English for 5 or 6 hours every day. You don't need to memorize hundreds of grammar rules. And you definitely don't need to learn 100 new words every day. What you really need is a few simple habits that you can follow consistently. In today's video, I'm going to share 5 daily habits that can completely change the way you learn English. These habits are simple, practical, and easy to follow. If you start practicing them every day, you will start noticing a difference in your confidence, vocabulary, and speaking ability. So let's get started, guys. So the first habit is reading. And honestly, this is one of the fastest ways to improve your English. You don't need to read for an hour. Even 10 to 15 minutes every day is enough. You can read anything you enjoy. Read a short story, read an article, read a children's book, read a blog. The important thing is to read consistently. And here's an important tip. Don't stop every time you see a new word. Many learners make this mistake. They read one sentence, find an unfamiliar word, open a dictionary, and completely lose their focus. Instead, try to understand the meaning from the context. Reading will naturally improve your vocabulary, grammar, and sentence structure. So, make reading a daily habit. The second habit is listening. Listening is one of the most powerful ways to train your brain. Listen to English podcasts, watch English videos, listen to English songs, watch interviews, watch English movies and TV shows, and don't worry if you don't understand everything. Because you don't need to understand every single word. Your goal is to become familiar with the sound of English. The more you listen, the more natural English will start to feel. Your ears will begin recognizing common words, expressions, and sentence patterns. And here's something interesting. Listening doesn't just improve your listening skills, it also improves your pronunciation and speaking skills. Because before you can speak naturally, you first need to hear natural English. So make listening a part of your daily routine. Now let's talk about the habit number 3 that most people avoid, speaking. Many people think like this. My grammar isn't good enough. My vocabulary isn't good enough. I will start speaking when I become fluent. But there is one problem. If you wait until you become fluent before you start speaking, you will be waiting forever. Fluency doesn't come before speaking. Fluency comes because of speaking. So don't be afraid of making mistakes. Don't wait for perfect grammar. Don't wait until you know thousands of words. Start speaking with the English you already know. Speak while you are cooking, speak while you are walking, speak while you are getting ready in the morning. Say things like, I'm making breakfast, I'm going to work, it's a beautiful day, this coffee tastes good. Simple sentences are enough. And remember this, broken English at the beginning is completely normal. The goal isn't perfection, the goal is progress. Moving forward to the habit number 4, which is learning new vocabulary. But please don't make the mistake of trying to memorize 50 or 100 words every day. That's not realistic. Instead, learn 3 or 5 new words every day. And most importantly, don't just memorize them, use them in your daily life. Because if you start using them in your daily life, you will never forget them. And create your own sentences. For example, if you learn the word opportunity, don't simply write it in a notebook. Use it. For example, this job is a great opportunity. This course gave me a new opportunity to learn. And if you find it difficult to create sentences, don't worry. You can use AI tools like ChatGPT or other learning tools to help you. The key is simple. Learn, use, and repeat. That's how vocabulary becomes part of your active language. The fifth and final habit is thinking in English. And honestly, this habit can completely change the way you speak. Many learners think in their native language first, then they translate their thoughts into English. This process takes time, and that's one of the reasons people struggle to speak fluently. Instead, try to think directly in English. Start with simple thoughts. I'm hungry. I need to finish my work. I'm feeling tired today. Don't try to think about complicated topics. Start small. So let's quickly review these 5 habits. Habit number 1, read every day. Habit number 2, listen every day. Habit number 3, speak every day. Habit number 4, learn 3 to 5 new words every day. Habit number 5, think in English. And that's it. Nothing complicated. Just 5 simple habits. And the best time is that you don't need extra time. You simply need consistency. And always remember this, fluency doesn't happen overnight. It doesn't happen in one week. And it doesn't happen because you watched one video. Fluency built through practice, consistency, and patience. So don't focus on being perfect. Focus on showing up every day. Even if you have only 20 minutes, use those 20 minutes. Small progress every day leads to big results. I follow these habits and I'm still working on them. And I encourage you to do the same. Start today, build these habits, stay consistent, and you will be surprised by how much your English improves. And that's all for today's video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video. I will see you in the next video. Until then, keep practicing and keep speaking English every day.